What's up, everybody? Welcome back to our channel. Hey, if you're new here, please click that like, that subscribe, and don't forget to bang that bell notification. This way you get notified every time I upload a video. Well, today's video is all about tire balancing. That's right. We are going to balance our tires using something called balance beads. No special tire balancer needed. And what are balance beads? Well, the little ceramic beads that go inside your tire, between your rim and your tire, that automatically, consistently self-balance all the time. I use them on Project Spaceball. I've used them on my Road Glide. I love them. I go through, at least 10 pounds a year of balance beads. So, I mean, they are proven here in the Dr.Harley garage. And I have nothing but great things to say about it. Now, what's the difference between using a balance bead compared to conventional spin balancing? Well, when you take your tire and you spin balance it and you'll get your tire balanced, that's perfect. Now, you ride that tire for 1,000 miles or you hit a pothole, now that tire is out of balance. When you have an out of balance tire, no matter how minute it is, what's going to happen is you're going to eat up your wheel bearings. You're going to have rideability issues. You're going to have, wobbles and shakes and all that. I could tell you, from as slow as you can go on your motorcycle to on a closed course, buck 40, I had no shakes, no wobbles, no nothing coming from my tires. So I believe in this product. One of our subscribers asked for this video because he didn't know what they were. And he asked me to tell you what they were and how do you install them. Well, let's start off with what do they look like. Well, guys, here are the balance beads right from easybeads.com. I will link their website down below. So if you're looking to get some, you can get them. Now, they do give you, well, they don't give it to you. You have to look for it. It's on their website, a chart of how much balance beads to go in your tires. Well, for the Road Glides, we're putting on about 2 ounces. And I say about because you hardly ever get that thing exactly 2 ounces. Let's see if we could do it today. We're at 1.9. Oh, there you go. A little too much. We'll see if we pull some out. See, there's 1.995. Oh, wow. Look at that. Exactly 2 ounces on the nose. That's awesome. So, what are we doing? Well, I have a wheel here that is off of my Road Glide with the old tire. You guys seen the new tire on the Road Glide? Oh, and the new wheel. I love it. Hope you guys do too. But how do you install them? It's quite simple. If you're putting on a new tire, you want to seat one side of the bead. The other bead you don't want to seat, because what you're going to do is you're going to open up. Right here is a nice gap between the rim and the tire. And you're going to take your beads and then it's just going to pour them in. But not to worry, because if you see right here, they're on the bead, that's okay. Because we could just get in there and 2 things we could do. One, we could tap them in with vibration. Or you could try and blow them in. Or you could take your finger, and I just blew them in and push them in. And that's it. So what's left? All we got left to do now is reseal this bead, get this bead to seat, inflate our tire, and you put it on the bike. But before you do that, you do have to remove any of the wheel weights that are on your wheels. Okay, the reason why you have to remove those wheel weights is because they will fight those wheel weights and these won't balance out. So you want to remove those weights, put these balance beads in, and you're all set. You're good to go. No special machine needed to balance your tires. And it's always self-balancing, and you get the added benefit of no ugly wheel weights on your rims. So if you got some nice rims, like I have on my Road Glide or the powder coating I did on my Softail, which is Spaceball. I don't have ugly wheel weights showing on that. That's a plus. There's no minuses. Okay, I hear some of you guys already got it. Hey, I don't have a tire machine. I don't have, you know, I can't do it. I don't have a tire machine. I can't break the bead, and my tire shop doesn't have it. No worries. I got you covered. I have a solution to your problems. Or, hey, I have a tubed tire. How do I get it? Does it go between the tube and the tire? No, they go in the tube. Now, from Easy Beads, you could buy tire tubes with them already installed. Or you could do what I do, is I install them inside the tube once I get the wheel together. And let me show you how easy that is. Easy Beads has got you covered on that. Let me show you the kit they have. So I keep the box because it keeps all the parts in there that I need for this. And what's nice about it is, when you open it up, you get a nice bottle. They give you a little rubber tube. They give you the top that you'll have to clip off so the beads could go through because that's sealed. And they give you the Schrader valve tool to remove the Schrader valve out of your valve stem. Now, how do you get the beads from here into here? Well, it's simple. What I do is I take my scale and I put the jug on there just like that, and I zero it out. Then I put my little business card that they give me, just like that. And let me get the tripod and we'll do it together. All right, so I got this on the tripod, and what I do here is I add the beads in, make a funnel out of the business card. And I add them in just like that. And then we measure it 2.022. So we'll take a little bit out. 1.981. So I got to add a little bit more. But you get the gist, right? You get the gist. And when you go to replace your tires, don't reuse the beads, please. They're cheap enough. They're inexpensive enough. I can't remember off the top of my head how much they are. So if you want, I'll actually link the prices in the description below, and also the website where I buy them in the description down below. So Hook Dog, this video is for you. I hope you like it, and also everybody else if you want to learn how to balance your own tires. Because here it is, guys. Boom, done. All right, everybody. That's all I got for this video. Kind of short, sweet, and to the point. I hope you do like it. All right, everybody, if you made it this far and you like this video and you want to see more content like this, go ahead and give me that like, that subscribe, and bang that bell notification. This way you'll get notified every time I upload a video. All right, everybody, until the next time, I want you to live the best life you can. Ride often and ride hard.
Like and subscribe.